What's up, y'all? Elijah's Repair back again with another video. Okay, it's been a while since I posted a video. It's been pretty cold out here. Okay, so I've been trying to stay out of this weather. It's already bad enough as it is, you know, with all this other stuff that's going on. So we're gonna go out this morning for a quick ride. It's pretty chilly out here this morning, but it's not too bad. Okay, we got some sunlight going, so we're gonna try to take advantage of that sunlight. Okay, so we're gonna try to get a quick ride in. Okay, like I said, it's been a while since I've been able to get out of the house. It's been too cold. Okay, so we're gonna try to take advantage of this semi-warm weather. Okay, so yeah, so let's get right to it. I'm gonna hop on, of course, the one, the only. Okay, that's gonna be my Rad Rover Stepthru. Okay, I know you guys haven't seen it in a while, but this is my baby. Okay, I think it's got like 44 miles on it now. But yeah, so it still needs to be broken in. Okay, we're gonna be taking this bike through a journey, you know, coming this summer. Yeah, we're gonna be taking it through a journey. Okay, like I said, the motor on this bike doesn't seem as strong as the one on my other bike. Maybe because I've been used to riding the other bike, or maybe it needs to be broken in. But we're gonna be putting it through the test. Okay, we're gonna see if this bike is all what it cracks up to be. Okay, let's go. All right, y'all, we're about to take off on this the Rad Rover real quick. I'm gonna raise the seat up just a little bit. Okay, try to get a little bit more leg movement going. Okay, and we're gonna close this back. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get the bike cut on. Okay, it's got 44 miles up there currently. We're gonna just be shooting in 10, I think we'll be shooting in 1080 30. Okay, we're gonna be shooting in that. I do want to try to do some slow-mo stuff to see how that would turn out, but we'll do that next time. My battery isn't got a full charge on it somehow. I don't remember if I charged it the last time I used it, but that's neither here nor there. And we had to figure that out the next time. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna bump this up the pedal assist 2. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and get this ride started. Okay, let's go. All right, it's a little cool out here. Okay, got strangled there. Spit went down the wrong pipe. Sorry about that, y'all. All right. All right, y'all. Like I said, it's been a while since I rode the bike, so I'm gonna probably have to brake back in. All right, this is just gonna be a quick lap around the neighborhood. Okay, hopefully the weather will start to break and we can get back out here. Okay, but right now we got to try to play it safe, cause just don't want to get sick. Okay, this stuff that's going around. There's nothing to be taken lightly, okay? Right, we're cruising right at about 11 miles per hour. Okay, not too bad for just getting back out here. Always could be worse. Okay, let's go. Coming up a little slight hill. Okay. All right. I'm starting to pedal out a little bit, so I'm going to shift up one time. We'll go to gear 5. Okay. Starting to pedal out, so we switched it up to gear 5. Okay. Gear 5 is probably going to give us a little bit more speed. We're picking up to almost 12. Okay. Like I said, we're not trying to go real fast. It's pretty cool out here, and don't want to be taking in too much of this cold air, okay? Yeah. So keep that in mind, okay? All it takes is just a little bit of this stuff, and your nose will definitely let you know that you're in some cold air. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty cool. My hands are pretty chill. I don't have on my gloves. They're in the house. I didn't think it was gonna be that cold that I was gonna need some on, but maybe I should consider. I don't know what the weather is supposed to be like today, but it definitely ain't warm at the moment, okay? Let's go. All right, we're almost at a mile. Okay. We'll probably wait till it warm up a little bit before we head out to maybe down the street. But right now it's pretty cool on the outside, okay? All right. Comment down below what you guys been doing. What do you guys do when it's cold outside? Do you work out on the inside? Do you just enjoy what life has to offer? Comment down below what you guys do when it's pretty cold outside. You can't get out and ride your bike or whatever, okay? Yeah, y'all, it's pretty cold out here right now. It looks like it's warm, but trust me, It's nowhere near it. It feels like it's trying to warm up, but we still got a ways to go before it gets to that point. I actually haven't had my breakfast this morning. I just drank some water, and I said, let me go out real quick and try to get me a ride in. Okay. Like somebody's getting some roof work done. Okay. Let's go. All right, yeah. Like I said, it's been a while since I've rode the bike. Like I said, it's a little too cold to ride. So I just been working and taking it easy. That's all you can do, okay? Currently on night shift, so it's only so much I can do anyway. But yeah, so we're still gonna make it happen. This is what I like to do. I like to get out here and ride my bike and do the videos for you guys, okay? It's like a motivation type deal. Motivates me to get out here and do it, okay? Man, it's cold. I don't know, y'all. I'm trying to push through it. I probably should have waited, like I said, till it warmed up. But I was so anxious to get out here and to get a video for you guys. I just couldn't wait, okay? I just couldn't wait. Whoa, I see a pretty big dog right there. I don't know whose dog it is, but we're gonna take off. Don't want to get bit, okay? Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get out of Dodge, okay? Yeah, we got a dog loose. I don't know whose dog it is, but I don't want him chasing after me, so we're gonna have to change up. Gonna change the plans, okay? Definitely not trying to get bit, so we're just gonna go ahead and finish this up and let that be there, okay? Man, let's go. All right, yeah, let's go. That dog could have been friendly, but I won't try to find her, okay? We had to put the pedal to the metal, okay? Man, it's cold, okay? All right, let's go. All right, cut it short just a little bit, okay? Still looking at what about 2.3, okay? It doesn't matter. We got a chance to get out and get some type of exercise in, which is always better than nothing, okay? Man. All right. All right, y'all. Just getting back. Let me show y'all what we ended up with, okay? Okay. This is what we got, 2.2. All right, we got a total of 46 miles on the bike, okay? 2.2, 46 miles total, okay? We rode in pedal assist 2 today. Like I said, it's pretty cool out here. My nose is trying to run on me a little bit, okay? It's pretty cold, like I said. My fingers feels like they're pretty frozen. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that ride. You know, to get you guys in the groove and want to get out and maybe do a little something today if you can. Probably once it warms up, okay? Right now it's pretty cool. It's probably not a good idea to get out there right now. Maybe when it warms up, okay? Anyway, we'll see you next time, okay? Rad Rover Repair.